This is the biggest audience of uniforms I ever had.
What I'm going to have you do is walk in a straight line. What I need you to do is imagine a straight line in front of you, okay?
Actress and comedian Tiffany Haddish being put through the paces during a stop for DUI. We have the video that you haven't seen until now.
If there's weed left there, I'll be surprised. Because I smoked it all before I left the main city.
I'm Angenette Levy, and this is Crime Fix. Tiffany Haddish is a funny lady. There's no doubt about that. And you're going to see just how funny she can be and how she uses her sense of humor during a tense situation very soon. It was a late night in January in a quiet suburb south of Atlanta. A 911 call comes in. A driver appears to be asleep at the wheel. But this driver, you might recognize her. She isn't just anyone. She's a beloved comedian, an actress, a woman with a net worth in the millions. But on this night, police say she wasn't really laughing. Peachtree City police say Tiffany Haddish was behind the wheel of a white Ford Explorer, exhausted, grieving, and according to an officer, under the influence. And for the first time ever, we are showing you exactly what was captured that night, all on police body camera footage. Law&Crime obtained the entire traffic stop from the moment that officers pulled into Haddish's driveway to the field sobriety test to that arrest that occurred right outside of her own home. No one has seen this before until now. The investigation that followed involved field sobriety tests, a refusal to submit to a breathalyzer, and more than $3,000 in cash found in her vehicle. The comedian faced 7 charges, including DUI, alcohol, DUI drugs, and improper stopping. And for more than 4 years, this case dragged on. But this past week, it finally came to an end. But how it ended might surprise you. Law&Crime was inside that Fayette County courtroom where Tiffany Haddish's lawyers actually tried to get the whole case thrown out. They said it was too long, that it would hurt her career. But the judge said, not so fast. You'll have to wait to find out what happened next. Because first, we have to take you back to that night. So according to Peachtree Police, it's about 2:30 in the morning in Peachtree, Georgia, when officers are dispatched to Highway 74 and Highway 54 for a welfare check. A caller says there's a driver asleep at a red light. Officers spot the vehicle, a white Ford Explorer with Florida plates. So they follow it and they watch it and pull into a driveway. And then they make contact.
So where are you coming from, ma'am?
I'm coming from the city, from Atlanta. I had to do press today for my TV show that's coming out.
Okay.
And picking up my dog. I've been up since very early this morning.
Okay, what time?
I woke up at 5 a.m.
Okay. And so
No, not this morning. Yesterday morning.
Okay. So you've been up since 5 a.m. yesterday
I've been up
morning?
Since 5 a.m. I'm going to be honest with you. My name is Tiffany Haddish. I'm a comedian and an actress. I'm currently here in Fayetteville working at your studio here, shooting a movie called Haunted Mansion with Disney. My other dog died on the 1st. You know who I am. My 2 of my mentors died.
What's your name?
Tiffany Haddish. And this is where I'm staying.
Yeah.
And I just picked my dog up. I'm going through a lot. I'm exhausted. And I just want to go to bed. And I'm in the driveway.
I understand that. So this is the problem.
I was at the light.
If you're tired, this would be quick. We just want to make sure we weren't impaired, okay? So we had a call about you being asleep at a light.
Yeah, the man knocked on the door.
Yeah, and then we also had somebody drive up to us like 3 miles down the road and stop us and say, hey, someone's asleep. So that's the reason why we're here.
Yeah, I know that, I know from my driver's license test that you're not supposed to be asleep at a light.
Yeah, well,
but I know also that I work my off.
All right, yes, ma'am. I understand that.
No, go through a lot. Impaired? No.
Okay.
Exhausted? Yes.
Okay. Do you mind if I check your eyes?
Yes.
You mind? So you don't want me to check your
I'm
eyes?
exhausted.
Okay, but like I said,
You can check my eyes.
okay. All right, you can step back here.
I've been wearing contact lenses all day too.
Okay. like I said, if you say you're tired, just be quick. You have anything wrong with your eyes?
I got a lazy eye.
Lazy eye? Okay.
That's why if you ever look at a picture of me, I'm always...
Okay, I got you. Any kind of traumatic brain injuries?
I hope not. I've been beat though. But
I'm sorry to hear that.
yeah, Griffin. Griffin, Georgia police.
Griffin?
Yeah, I was married to one.
Really? I didn't know you had ties to Georgia.
Yeah, well, read my book.
Then officers check Haddish's eyes.
Okay. So what I need for you to do is put your feet together, hands down by your side. Okay. This is the starting position. I need you to stay in this position until I tell you to do so. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I need you to follow my hand, or this is gonna be. I got a little band-aid on it. All right, my finger.
Yeah, follow your finger.
Follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna check your eyes.
Fill the body, 241.
All right, so you've got to I'm not sure what he's doing, but you also don't want to be all over her, so don't have this many people.
You know I'm nosy, right?
Nosy.
I'm totally listening to him.
Right here and capture what he was doing. If you want us to.
What happened to your finger?
I cut it with a knife. All right. Okay.
My heart being fast on the damn driveway. Larry? No, it's dark over there. Am I supposed to focus on it?
You are. Yeah, we'll start over. Okay.
Okay. How long is this supposed to happen?
Not too long.
It's cold as fuck. Do I get a husband out of this game?
No.
Damn. Because it's too cold. I got a jacket in the back seat.
You want to grab a jacket for her?
It's right here in the front seat.
You mind if we grab it?
Front seat,
Front seat?
And please watch out for the dog.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you. I can freeze.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I need you to keep looking at it for me, okay?
I'm used to
Make sure
customers.
there's nothing in your pockets.
There's money and maybe the keys to the car.
We're just patting down and make sure there's,
No.
okay, yeah, that's all.
Money and keys to the car.
Okay, that's it.
I don't got
Those
no
feel
money.
like keys.
I got you.
I'm kind of happy. 3 minutes might be a dream come true.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's gonna go up, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go for it, 18720, returns negative 29 with a champagne color 2020 icon. It's registered.
You know I'm only 5'6",
Brown,
right?
114, double stump point.
These eyeballs only go so far up.
All right, let me focus up. Okay, is there anything wrong with your,
My life, yes.
well,
Other than that, no,
with your,
nothing.
let's go in front of your car.
According to the police report, after this test, officers noted both of her eyes were bloodshot. One officer wrote, "While performing a lack of smooth pursuit and distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, I noticed HGN, that's involuntary eye jerking, the skipping of the pupils across the horizontal plane, 4 clues present." In simple terms, eyes were showing signs of impairment, and then officers moved to the next test.
We need to go to flat ground for the next part. We're just gonna walk in front of your car, okay?
Oh, in the back. Can we let the dog out? Sleeper hasn't been to the restroom in a while.
Will she run away if we let her out?
Yeah, she'll go right here. There's a leash on the side of the bag if you wanna. I mean, since we are working together right now.
Okay.
On the side of the bag, there's a purple leash, and if you can put it on it, I would appreciate it. I know
Okay.
know how
You
to
can come right here for me.
somebody.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Haddish. Oh, what I have you do you have anything wrong with your, you can stand right there,
I
actually. That's
have a
perfect.
torn meniscus.
Torn meniscus, would that keep you from walking in a straight line?
I don't know.
Okay.
But I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm about to be fluja, so I don't think so.
Okay. Anything, so back and legs are okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What I need for you to do is put your feet together like this.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands down by your side. This is the starting position. I need you to stay in this position until I tell you to
Can
do
you
so.
just let her out? Never mind. She looks scared.
Okay.
Leave her right there.
Yes, perfect.
Don't let my girl out.
I need you to stay in this position like this until I tell you to do so, okay?
This is the biggest audience of uniforms I ever had. Yes, sir.
All right. What I'm gonna have you do is walk in a straight line. What I need you to do is imagine a straight line in front of you, okay? I need you
My
to.
imagination, what I do for a living?
Yep.
Problem.
Yep. I need you to put your left foot on that line.
Left foot.
Yep. So from there, put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot. Put your hands down by your side. And you stay in this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So stay there, okay? Now, what I need for you to do is take 9 heel-to-toe steps. I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna
You want me to stand like this?
stand like this, all right? Hands down by your side. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put you back. I think we too close to your car. You might need some more room, okay? So again,
It's very narrow. Never mind. This is the flattest here. You are correct.
okay. Yep. Yeah, we're looking for flat ground.
Look back.
Flat ground,
Also,
okay?
there's a deck here that is.
No, we should be good here. So again, put your left foot on that line. Left foot. Put your right foot in front of your left foot.
Left foot, right foot in front of
Put your hands down by your side. Okay. Don't move until I tell you to do so. All right. I'm gonna have you take 9 heel-to-toe steps. I'm gonna demonstrate for you. Okay. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. I did 3. You're gonna do 9. Once you get to step number 9, you're gonna use your lead foot. You're gonna make a series of small steps. It's gonna look like this.
My arch is burning.
Is it right now?
I have a flat arch in my left foot where my meniscus is torn.
Okay. Okay. Again,
It
if you think you
on
can't
fire.
do it, let me know. Okay.
You're literally asking, depressed, exhausted, and all this.
Okay. Just
Okay.
let me know. Okay.
It burns.
All right.
I'm gonna do it though.
Okay.
'Cause
Okay.
I have
We'll
an
take-
audience, and I'm
So you're gonna go back.
literally have an audience.
You're gonna go back 9 steps. I'm gonna do 3. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. Now, while you're doing that, I need you to look down the entire time, count out loud, keep your hands down by your side, and don't stop until you're done. Do you understand?
9 steps. Count out loud. Look down at my feet. God, these nails are sore. That's it.
That's good.
Start left foot in front of right foot.
Just like you are now, you're gonna take 9 heel-toe steps.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. May I do it again?
Yes, you can. Do you need me to push you back to the starting position?
Nope. Right foot.
Left foot on the line.
And Right foot in front of left foot first. Left foot on line.
Right foot in front of left foot. Okay.
Right foot in front of left foot.
Okay. Now you start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Okay. It's hurting you?
I'm exhausted. Yes.
Okay.
This is aching, and this is aching.
Okay.
So I hope
and-
somebody come rub my feet. I'm gonna just say, honesty. Banging on fire, and you look up off my feet, you'll be like, oh, the left foot up, the right foot look pretty. It's two different bodies on. But let's go. Whatever we do. What else?
Okay, for the last one. Now you have a problem with your left leg, so you could pick. I need you to pick one leg. You're gonna stand on it. I'm gonna pick my right foot. What I need you to do, actually, let me put you in starting position. Put your feet together, hands down by your side. Okay. This is your starting position. Stay in this position until I tell you to do so. Okay. See. You're gonna pick one foot. You're gonna pick it off the ground approximately 6 inches. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
According to the arrest report, police say Haddish failed to maintain the starting position. She started too soon, used arms to balance, incorrect number of steps, failed to touch heel to toe, stepped off the line, completed an improper turn, and failed to walk the 9 steps going back to the original spot. 8 clues they say they notice, and when she's asked to do it again, no improvement. Now the one-leg stand.
That's correct. Now, while you're doing that,
Sorry, got excited.
while you're doing that,
It's been a while since. Okay, go ahead.
I need you to look down the entire time. Keep your hands down by your side. Keep your legs straight. Point your foot and count out loud, okay? You may
6 inches
off the ground.
by the side.
Keep your hands down by your side. Look down at your foot and count out loud.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024.
Okay.
Now, it's hard to tell if her foot actually touches the ground there, but officers on scene documented it. They wrote in their report that they saw Haddish put her foot on the ground and used her arms to balance. The total clues police have noted up to this point, 14, which brings us next to the breath test.
Okay. So the last thing it will be is this portable breath sample. This is just going to tell us if there's a...
Okay, now I have to call a lawyer. I have to call my representation.
Okay, so this is a breath sample. You can provide a sample for us if you wish to. You don't have to. Unopened.
Because first of all, I don't know nobody's name. You bring it out machines. If you think I'm intoxicated, fine. Let's just go. I would like to let the dog use the restroom and then put her in the house. And we can have an experience. Or you can let me go to bed. Whichever you decide. But I'm not going to blow in your machine.
Okay.
But I would like my dog to use the restroom.
We can.
And you can put her in the house. We can put her in the house.
We can do that.
And then we can go to the station. We can do paperwork. We can make all the phone calls that need to be made. And I'm okay with that.
All right, give me 1 second, okay?
If you can allow my animals,
Yeah,
I just wanna go to bed.
since we have her out, we can go ahead and I will wait with you here while we let her out. We can put her inside the house, okay?
yeah, I would appreciate that. That's my And may I call production to let them know that that's what I'm about to do? Because I have a 6 a.m. call time.
Okay, give us 1 second.
And you can see that I'm not a liar.
No, I recognize you.
And I'm not playing no games.
I believe you. Yes, ma'am.
6:15 call time.
Yes, ma'am.
The longest day of my life. Every day been the longest day since Monday. So she excited, but also she need to drop a deuce. So let her drop this deuce and put her in the house. She 13. My other dog. Man, I've been this sad my whole life. That's it. And I've been.
I'll take it. I'll explain to you. Well, that's okay.
Good. I know it's hard with the light on. Go ahead.
Oh, I don't even know why I have it on.
Can you walk with me over here?
I can.
You want me to bring the bag?
No, she's gonna poop right here. We'll walk right back, and we can put her in the house, and she's good to go. If I fall asleep on y'all, don't be mad at me. I'm not gonna fall asleep saying the next day. Can I call her right now? Can I call anybody?
Give me 1 second. We'll get you the phone calls you need. Okay?
On my phone?
Yeah, on your phone.
I'm not allowed to call nobody right now.
Well, we gotta go through some things first, and then we make phone calls.
How old
It's
are you?
it's just the way the process
How
works.
many baby mamas you got?
Let's fall this way.
I ain't had a man tell me you. This is.
And after Haddish walks her dog, the police arrest her right in her driveway.
We need the car door unlocked, actually.
Okay.
You can go ahead and put your hands behind your back and such.
Okay.
You got the keys?
You gonna put me in handcuffs?
I am. I have to.
I can voluntarily go.
Yeah, you got to. That's our policy. We'll get you there, get you out as soon as possible. Okay?
So breathe in the machine or go in handcuffs. Do I have to go in handcuffs?
You do.
Even though I'm volunteering?
Yeah, you do.
Do I get a husband out of this?
Not from us.
Come on, Miss Tiffany.
Not from us. You ready?
Yeah. You're
Okay.
fine. So he'll get you up to the jail, do paperwork, and then.
Do you guys bring? Wait. Do you guys bring me home?
We don't.
No, you have to get away home.
Okay. I got enough.
Just so it's very comfortable, I'm putting 2 on you, okay?
Will it be?
That way.
Will I be done before 6 a.m.?
You can, as long as you can bond out. It's going to be on citations, so you'll be able to bond out on the citations.
How much is a bind out?
They'll let you know. Yeah, they'll let you know.
Who is they?
Fayette County Jail.
The jail.
Can I call my lawyer right now?
Not right now. You'll be able to call when you get to the jail. Once you get to the jail, you'll be able to make any phone calls you want.
How
just
far
make
away
sure
is
you-
the jail?
About 20 minutes. It's in Fayetteville. We're very close. Peachtree City, Fayetteville. Okay, so I can get space in here. Space in here. Okay, I double lock them. That way they won't crank down on your wrist. All right, you're under arrest for driving under influence.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. But you underneath at the bottom, okay, never mind.
Yeah.
I thought I saw my passport card
Uh-oh.
because I'm ready to leave America. Go ahead.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to state-administered chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purposes of determining if you are under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense and from qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to state-administered chemical tests of your breath?
So what you just said is basically a nurse has to come and administer a urine test
So I can't.
or a blood test.
And
I have rolling veins, so it's gonna take a minute to get the blood. And then that's if you get a nurse there, correct?
1 second. So I can't. The way the Georgia law reads, I can't explain this to you. It's a yes or no. So there's a question at the end. I can reread it for you, and you just have to answer yes or no to the question.
But
Okay?
I don't get to ask questions of if you take a blood test How long does that take?
After you give me your answer, I can explain more things to you. But this part right here is state mandated that it's
Is
done a
this
certain
like
way.
my last relationship? I ask questions and I don't get the answers I want. Just break up with me already.
Okay, I'm gonna
Why you locking me down like this? No.
Are you prepared to answer, or you
seriously,
need me to reread it for you?
No. Okay, so either blowing your machine in front of my bed or go sit in the police station. Wait for a nurse to come. That's what I translate. What you just said. Read it again.
Okay,
and
I'll read it again.
I'm gonna
Ready?
comprehend
Okay.
one more time. But what I
It's
just
a mouthful.
heard. I'm gonna just.
Ready?
Can I just say what I just heard in my mind, and then because I have to from my comprehension level, as a human being who listens very well and is extremely exhausted. You said, and you don't have to say anything, and I'm gonna ask you to read it again.
Okay.
What I heard was, I have to take a urine test or a blood sample, and I have to test under 0.008 or 0.08, and DUI, blah, blah, blah. Or blowing something, blah, blah, blah. Okay, read it to me again.
I'm reading
All
to you
right.
again. Okay, ready?
Haddish's rights are read to her for a second time, and she's cuffed and taken to the patrol car to be searched.
So we'll do that. Now, there's a couple things we have to address. First. I smell the odor of marijuana. I didn't smell it.
I was smoking weed. You didn't ask me that, though.
Okay.
I smoked weed.
1334 still on there.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
It is 1042.
I like that you know what it smells like.
So I didn't smell it until we got your jacket out of the car. Is there anything in your jacket still?
No, I smoked it in the car.
Okay. So we're gonna get you in front of my car. We do not have a female officer on duty, so I will conduct the search using the back of my hand of your person, and we'll get you secured in the back seat, and we'll put the heat on. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. I'll pull my car up to inside the driveway
driveway.
so we can finish doing everything we need to do, get your car secured, and then we'll get you over to the police department as soon as possible. Okay. All right. You can walk with us.
At Fayetteville Studios, I'm doing the Disney movie Haunted Mansion.
Oh, okay.
I play a medium. That's what my nails are so long. Now I broke one, and one's in the car, and then one's in my hand. No, I don't want to give it to you because you might. Oh, dang, I can't hide it that way. It's my nail. Can you take that one? I need it for.
Okay, I'll put it with the cash.
Please put it with the cash.
So in the truck, right? In your truck?
God, that's really beautiful. Crazy, man. It's painful as.
Okay. We'll take this off. It'll go in the front seat with us. You'll get it back at the jail. Okay.
So I can't get a ride home. And you're gonna take my cash.
No, I'm gonna put your. If you take your cash, they're gonna take it at the jail, so you won't be able to get it. What they're gonna do is send it to you.
I'll put it in the car.
Back in the hand.
And
Okay.
are they gonna send my nail letters a check too? I need the nail for tomorrow. Can you put that in the car?
They continue to search her as a dash camera records.
This make me feel like I'm married again.
I hope not.
Yeah, they used to do like this.
No. Not good.
Well, that's why I'm not married no more.
So this is gonna go across you. All right. Oh man. Okay. Flexible.
Let me get through the arm. I'm gonna go to sleep back here. And I
Is it warm enough for you?
It's okay.
Okay. All right. We're gonna get you moved to the driveway. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Tiffany Haddish sits and she waits. She doesn't have a choice and she knows it. Officers move in to search her car. They open the doors on both sides and look to see what they can find.
Are they searching the vehicle?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that illegal?
No, it's not illegal.
Oh, not when I'm in handcuffs, it's legal.
No, it's not illegal. So.
Because
when
aren't you supposed to ask?
No, so the vehicle exception law here in Georgia is found the odor marijuana.
So if they tell them to look in the center console,
That's where it is?
it's center console, there's a tube, and all that's left is a glass.
Center console.
Center console, there's two things. They're both roaches.
Okay.
If there's weed left there, I'll be surprised. Because I smoked it all before I left the main city.
Okay. What's the main city?
Atlanta, yeah. I had to do press. So I had to shoot this morning, then I had to do press from 10 to 6. And then I took a nap, and then I met, Little Real Howie?
Who?
Little Real Howie. He's in Get Out.
Yeah.
I met up with him, and then I went and got my dog, and then I drove back. And I'm operating on I'm just, I'm not. I'm on my whatever, so.
Is this your house or?
No, it's a rental.
Okay.
That's how I was able to open it. I can only open it with my phone, and there's a key. There's a key in my backpack. But I think the backpack is in the house. No, the backpack's in the back seat. Yeah. And there's suitcases in the back with clothes I have to wear. I have to do press all week.
You be here all week?
No, I gotta fly tomorrow. My grandma died on Monday, so I've been it's been the worst. Everyone's like, Happy New Year. I'm like, no, neutral New Year. This is very neutral. Every day has been not the best day. I thought I was gonna die last night because I slipped at the bathtub. That's my Apple Watch. I'm not sure about it either, Siri. Turn off.
It hasn't been a good year for Tiffany Haddish at that point, and this arrest is making it much worse. Then the discussion turns to the reason the police followed her.
But
Which one? You stopped in the middle of the highway?
Yeah, I know. I've done it before. I'm not.
You stopped. We were on a traffic stop and you stopped in the middle of the highway for some reason.
Because I couldn't drive no more. I was exhausted. I'd rather stop somewhere and just stop than drive. So the car was in park. You don't think so?
No. Because you stopped and then you started back. So, I mean, you were on the stop for maybe 4 or 5 seconds.
No, I wasn't. No, I stopped because I stopped when I got off the freeway and I put to the side. And then I thought I was good.
You stopped here in Peachtree City too in the middle of the highway. Because we were on a traffic stop. You stopped right beside us.
I didn't say hi. I did.
And then you stopped at the intersection up there, and then you went to sleep.
Yeah, I took a nap.
Yeah. You've been all right,
I would have been all right if I pulled over. Well, God wanted me to meet y'all for a reason. Nicest police I've met. Well, that's not true because I dated many, so.
It's not the end of the world.
No, it ain't.
The discussion then turns to Tiffany Haddish saying she knows that she's not that intoxicated.
I know I'm not that. I know I gotta pee. Can't wait to pee in whoever cup want me to pee in me. I know that much. Oh, dang, I almost feel like, I should have just blew in his breathalyzer.
Alright, y'all about to head out, alright?
Alright. Just lock it in the car.
Okay. Do you want to take the keys with you?
No, oh damn! Oh, he can't lock it if the keys is with.
You can take the keys with you. They'll give you your keys back. That cash they're not going to give back.
But the keys they'll give me back, right?
Yeah, they give you the keys back.
And
are you in the seatbelt?
Yeah, I'm in the seatbelt.
All right.
Real. No, I'm sitting in the back of a police car in my driveway. Because I fell asleep at the stoplight and then I did a slow stop in the middle of the highway. Cause I'm sleepy as So they're taking me to the police station because I didn't want to blow on the breathalyzer. Yeah, I'm going to the Fayetteville Police Station, correct?
Fayette County Jail?
I'm going to the Fayette County Jail. Can you do me a favor and call Dion?
C0324.
Real? Call Dion Wynn, my makeup artist. She not at home. Then I'm going to the Fayetteville County Jail. And I'm missing guys. All of them are very handsome.
Equinox at night, Anchor 3.
I don't think so. I should be fine. They said I should be out before I have to be at work, but
13.
I'm going to the Fayette County Jail. Call Dion. Call Dion.
1091. 1019.
You got Dion number.
Get the radio down. 27190. 27190. You let
I was trying to text you, but I got pulled over in the driveway.
Starting on 4 at 325.
I should be at the jailhouse in 20 minutes.
He's on hip pocket. He's almost there. 131.
Do I get a mugshot? You got Dion Wynn number. Call your ride and get it.
You mind, we're gonna need to get your watch from you.
Yeah, that's why I said, did you ask you if you wanted to take
These
it?
Haddish people in the back can't make phone calls. You mind hanging that up?
I have to hang up the phone. I'm not allowed to make phone calls. Bye, Real. He just called me. I didn't make the call. He
I
called me.
know, but
The phone called me.
So Tiffany Haddish is on her way to the jail. She's seemingly tired, but she hasn't lost her sense of humor.
A mugshot? Oh, my makeup is ruined off. I'm gonna look like a crackhead I'm gonna look like Storm with red eyes. I'm so tired. Can I smile in a mugshot?
can you run that?
I ain't took a mugshot. My lawyer always told me don't blow in the breathalyzer.
Yes, well, you have that right to do that.
Now I'm mad if I gotta take a mugshot and I look busted and dusty. I don't wanna look like him. Wait, I'm sorry if that's you, sir.
You want to look like me?
No, whoever that's on the screen.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry if that's you. That's us apologizing. He look okay. I don't mind that. That look is not a bad look. So if I blow in the breathalyzer, it doesn't matter because I'm in the back seat of the car, so I gotta take a mugshot.
That's correct.
Just because I'm in the back seat.
Well, because you're going to jail. That's fine.
But if I blow in the breathalyzer when I get to the jail, doesn't matter.
Yeah, going to jail won't change it.
Eventually, Tiffany Haddish arrives at the police station with the officer. She'll be booked, but first, it's time for a blood draw.
Sure, she don't move. You gotta catch her. Okay? I got the runaway veins, bro. She don't like it when it hurt. She move. I'm gonna keep pumping it for you too, cause I'm telling you. I'm gonna squeeze this part too. Please don't stick me more than 5 times.
You just that bad.
More than 5, he's very patient.
I don't do that.
I've gone 8, yeah, because I didn't want to die. It's like, then got it out my hand, had to get it out my foot. It's real hard for me to donate blood and all that. Gotta find somebody been doing. How long you been doing it?
Huh?
You been
Can't
doing
tell you that.
I feel like it's more than 10 years. You're right.
Next month celebrates 25. How you?
Perfect. Like my high school reunion. Hey! Oh, no, you've been doing it since before I graduated from high school.
Uh-huh.
No, I graduated in 98. Yeah,
Started in 91, actually.
Okay, all right. So you dealt with runaway things, though.
Then an officer has an idea about how he can get Tiffany Haddish to admit to drinking alcohol. That's what he suspects.
Are you on Facebook?
At this point, I'm good too. Miranda is there to ask her when the last time she had a drink,
On the city employee?
how much she drank, because we're way past the inconsent part. I just don't want to cloudy that.
But if I email you through the city website?
I'm good with leader, Miranda warning and ask last time you had a drink. It just gives me an opportunity to get that admission since it's on here anyways.
They never can find my vein. I need a B12.
I mean, if you want to do it, you don't have to.
Okay.
I mean, you already got the rest. I mean,
Yeah.
That's okay. I got that. The doctor can't even get my vein. This is. Look at God. I found Robert Arkin. First man to get it on Facebook. Thank you, brother. I almost want to hug you, but I feel like it might be illegal. I don't want nobody think I'm trying to attack you, but that was a blessing. You gonna put me back in my pretty jewelry?
Well, since you stood up, yes, ma'am. If you want to walk ahead of us, no.
This is a great night, dude. You know how long it's been since I've been on a date with 4 men? They ain't buying me nothing, but they got me to believe.
just go around and open that door. So step back. Yeah. Now you can go.
Watch that going out.
I'm not lit. I don't want no very business. Wait. Ooh. Booty first.
You don't have to drop like no.
No. There's a booty first. Raised with the thigh. I have to think back to my marriage.
Is it comfortable for you to sit like that?
Yeah, this is.
Appreciate it,
It's
sir.
getting tight, but it's okay.
Appreciate it.
I gotta remember my late 20s, early 30s.
All right, it's 20 minutes now. And then we get you there. You can start the process, okay?
Tiffany Haddish was booked into the Fayette County Jail, and just like she hinted she might, she smiled for her mugshot. Tests revealed Haddish's blood alcohol content was .087, just over Georgia's .08 for DUI. She also tested positive for THC, the active ingredient in marijuana. Now, Georgia's DUI drug law is very different from its alcohol law. Georgia's law allows a DUI charge based on the presence of any amount of marijuana or a controlled substance, including metabolites in blood or urine. But there isn't a 1.5 nanogram legal limit for THC in Georgia. And a toxicology result like that doesn't by itself tell you when she necessarily used the marijuana or whether she was impaired at the time she was driving. But the state also had the officer's observations and other evidence of impairment to consider. She was released a couple of hours later, but the case wasn't over, not even close. Remember, she faced 7 charges: DUI, alcohol, DUI drugs, improper stopping, and 4 other counts. The DUI case dragged on for years. Motions were filed and continuances were granted. Law&Crime was inside that Fayette County courtroom when it finally came to an end, and this is what happened.
Ms. Haddish, this is case 23-SR0070. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Ms. Haddish, joining you here today is Mr. Feinling and Ms. Goldberg. Are they your lawyers?
Yeah.
And have they had a chance to talk to you about this case?
Oh, yeah.
And have they had a chance to go over all of your options and all of your rights, including the right to a trial by jury?
Yes, sir.
It's my understanding that you do not want a trial and you wish to enter into a plea, but I still want to go over these rights with you on the record. Okay, Ms. Haddish?
Yes, please.
So Ms. Haddish, you have the right to a public trial. At your public trial, you could confront and cross-examine anyone who testifies against you. You could testify on your own behalf. You could remain silent. If you did choose to remain silent, that silence could not be held against you. Do you understand that you have all of those rights?
Yes.
Are you going to freely and voluntarily give up those rights to enter into a plea that your lawyers have negotiated on your behalf?
I would like to fuss a little bit, but in order to get out of your hair, because it's been 4 years, and I would love to take my hair off, I'm going to go ahead and just agree.
All right. Now, you know you have the right to a trial, and we have jurors that are ready to go forward with a trial today if you want to. And I'm only going to do this if you freely and voluntarily agree. Would you like to go forward with a plea today?
Sure, yes.
But before the plea is entered, Haddish's attorneys want the court to know who she really is.
She has her own foundation, the Shoe Ready Foundation, and is, personally and professionally dedicated to the plight of foster children, which is often, an area that is really, without focus and incredibly in need. And so she has put a lot of time and finances and effort into that foundation. She also does other things, such as I know she did work with Friendly House in Los Angeles, which is promoting sobriety and rehabilitation. She's also been very vocal publicly about her own journeys and her own sobriety. So, being incredibly proactive, taking this very seriously.
She has traveled the world since we've known her, literally promoting her personal battle against world hunger. She's been boots on the ground in some of the most wild places in the world. And I think it's one thing that she's done tremendous domestic work. But to have the opportunity to really move the dial on our shared experience on this earth, it says everything special about Ms. Haddish, and it's really been an honor to be associated with throughout the course of this case.
I don't miss you too, Drew. I don't miss you too. But we gotta get this done with it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm tired of flying to Georgia for nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the judge accepted her plea.
And Ms. Haddish, I will accept the following plea. Count 1, driving under the influence of less safe alcohol. It's a guilty plea. 12 months on probation, 24 hours in jail, but that's called time served, no more jail time. Counts 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are going to be null crossed, and that's based on the recommendation from the state. Here are the terms and conditions of your probation. No drugs, no alcohol, you'll be tested, and I think Mr. Feinling, Ms. Goldberg, and Mr. Carter have worked out testing provisions. Within 2 months of today, must complete a substance abuse evaluation, follow up on any treatment. I believe you have already done the victim impact panel. Thank you very much for being proactive. I will give you.
If you need me to do it again, I don't mind, because there's great stories there to be told. That should be shared with the world. Should be a curriculum, I think, for school.
It really is. You are not required to do another one, but of course you can. But thank you for being proactive in doing that. You must complete a DUI school within 4 months, and Ms. Goldberg and Mr. Feinley can tell you what impact that will have on your driving privileges in California. And you will have 4 months to complete 40 hours community service, and it's my understanding that Mr. Carter says that you've already been proactive and you've reached out to the LA District Attorney's Office to do some work over there, so thank you very much.
I'm very excited about it. That's why I want to get this done so that can get done. I know it's going to change lives. I'm very excited about it.
I'm excited about that opportunity for you as well. I will also allow you to phone report if the following 2 things are true. Number 1, you're in good standing with probation, and you are an out-of-state resident. As long as that stays true, then you are allowed to phone report. And Ms. Goldberg, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let the probation department advise me on a status review. I don't normally do a status, but if they say that Ms. Haddish has done everything and that they are impressed, I've had them come before me and say we would like to advocate for this person to have non-reporting probation. I'll be open-minded to that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Mr. Carter, Mr. Myers, on behalf of the state, is there anything I missed, anything else we need to do?
Not from the state, Judge.
I believe that Mr. Feinlein and Ms. Goldberg are going to provide contact information. Somebody from probation will contact Ms. Haddish to set up that appointment. Is that correct?
We will, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Goldberg, Mr. Feinlein, anything else that I'm missing?
No, sir.
All right. And I know that it has, again, been well litigated, but I enjoyed working with all of you. I always appreciate when lawyers come very professional and prepared, and the lawyers on both sides did that every time, and I appreciate that. Ms. Haddish, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you very much, and you have the platform to do a lot of good, and you've been doing good. I hope you continue to do that, and I'll continue to look for seeing you in the movies because my kids love watching your movies. All right? Ms. Haddish, have a great day, and you're welcome back to Georgia anytime. Y'all have a good day.
I'm coming back. No more Georgia.
Have a good day.
No more.
Thank you very much.
You know what?
The other 6 charges dismissed. She'll report to probation from California. She'll have random drug testing, a substance abuse evaluation, DUI school, and she'll serve 40 hours of community service, which she's already working on with the LADA's office. And that's it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. Thanks so much for being with me. I'll see you back here next time.